Technology has been enrobing mankind. Many children are becoming slaves to technology by watching television and using mobile phones, which will hinder their learning and not let them achieve mind-body coordination. To achieve mind-body coordination, we must follow the process of learning. When there is no mind-body coordination, the result is self-destruction. To achieve mind-body coordination, we must follow the yogas, which means union, Bhakti Yoga, which means devotion, Jnana Yoga, which means knowledge, Karma Yoga, which means action, and the culmination of these three yogas is Raja Yoga. To attain knowledge, we must follow the multiple intelligences. They are interpersonal, intrapersonal, spatial, kinesthetic, musical, mathematical, logical, and natural intelligences. To attain knowledge, we must always ask questions. Learning is prayer. It is the time we connect ourselves with the divine. Learning is the love of action. Ego prevents us from becoming successful. Whenever there is a problem, the answer to it or solution to it must not be sought from the outside. Instead, we must search for the answer within us. To go beyond this world, we must follow our inner senses, their clairvoyance, clairaudience, and higher communication. Whenever there is a problem, we must follow our divine teachings and what our divine tells within us. We must accord to the divine plan, and we must never think anything is difficult, because the God is working within us every time. Learning is the culmination of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Love is something selfless, spontaneous, and unconditional. We must never expect anything. At last, I would like to end my experience with these few words. Whenever mind, body, and soul work as one, anything is possible. Thank you.